Let's show how to operate Liansheng LS178 spectrophotometer. The measuring aperture is only 1 mm. Now press the button to turn on the instrument. After turning on, it will enter the calibration interface. You can choose to calibrate or skip. If you choose to calibrate, make sure the probe and bottom cap are closed. Click on Calibrate, it will enter the color compare interface after completion. The bottom cap needs to be removed before testing. When testing small materials, the probe needs to be inverted to ensure that the sample completely covers the test aperture. First, measure the standard color, click Scan Standard. Then measure the sample color, click Scan Sample. After the test is completed, the screen will display lab values and color deviation prompts. E** represents the color difference between the standard and sample, with green indicating pass. Click E Setup to set the color difference threshold, ranging from 0.1 to 50. If the color difference exceeds the threshold, it will turn red and be marked as NG. Click Save Standard to save the current standard value to the instrument. Click Input Standard to enter the lab value of the standard for color comparison without the actual sample. Click Add Standard to select a suitable color from the stored standard colors for measurement. After completing the comparison, you can click Save in the upper right corner to store the test data. Click History to view the previously saved color comparison data. Click Perm to switch to other color parameters. Select Spectra can compare the spectral reflectance of the measured material. Then test the standard and sample in turn. The red curve represents the standard spectral reflectance, and the green curve represents the samples. Click the arrows below to view the spectral reflectance and reflectance difference of the standard and sample at specific wavelengths. Next, click Color Scan at the bottom of the screen to enter the measurement interface. Click the scan on the screen to measure. The measured color will display the lab value. Click Perm to switch to other color parameters. Below are the 3 color card numbers that the instrument matches closest to the test color. Click Color Chart to switch from the multiple electronic color cards built into the instrument. After the measurement, click Save in the upper right corner. You can save the color just tested. Click the History button to scroll up and down to browse previously saved color data. If you want to measure the color of a small area, you can use a locating plate for precise positioning. Click the Menu button in the upper left corner. You can see other function settings of the instrument. Language can be switched between Chinese and English. Calibration can calibrate the instrument. Device Info can view the basic information of the instrument. Auto Offsetting can select whether to automatically shut down and set the time. Reset can select whether to restore to factory options and clear the data on the measurement interface. Reset to factory defaults and clear the data on the measurement interface. Click Power Off to shut down. Make sure to close the bottom cap. The above is all the operation demonstrations of LS178. Thanks for watching.